Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Kiran, and if you're new to this channel then please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon there so that you'll be notified. So today's video is all about skincare routine. I have upgraded a little bit on my skincare routine. So coming to the skincare, first step is to cleanse the skin, then use the toner, then use the proper face serum या फिर मॉइस्चराइजर भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप विच इज़ क्लिनजिंग द फेस, दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आज मैं आप लोग के साथ शेयर करूंगी टॉप 4 फेवरेट क्लेंजर अवेलेबल इन इंडिया. सो एज वी नो मार्केट में बहुत सारे क्लेंजर अवेलेबल हैं, बट हमें कौन सा फेस क्लेंजर चूज करना है वो हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे स्किन टाइप में जाए और जब भी हम लोग ये क्लेंजर यूज़ करें तो हमारा स्किन हाइड्रेटेड रहे, ना कि कोई इरिटेशंस हो और ना कि कोई ड्राइनेस हो. क्लेंजर हम लोग जो भी चूज करें उसमें हम लोग को ये ध्यान देना चाहिए कि वो पीएच बेस्ड होना चाहिए. एज वी नो हमारे स्किन पे पीएच लेवल 5.5% होता है, और उससे अगर थोड़ा ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा और थोड़ा ज़्यादा घटेगा तो उसमें हमारे स्किन को बैक्टीरिया बहुत ज़्यादा अट्रैक्ट करेंगे एंड उससे इन्फेक्शन बढ़ेगा और पिंपल वगैरह के भी चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं. इसलिए हमारा पीएच लेवल होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है हर एक क्लेंजर पे. तो जब भी आप क्लेंजर के लिए जाएं तो प्लीज़ चेक करिए कि उसमें पीएच बैलेंस लेवल है या नहीं. So coming to the list, the first one is the Pilgrim Salicylic and Glycolic Acid Foaming Face Wash. Coming to its benefits, salicylic acid clears clogged pores, loosens dead skin cells, regulates sebum secretions, and glycolic acid helps fighting acne, gently exfoliates dead skin cells, and hydrates skin. The Pilgrim Salicylic and Glycolic Acid Foaming Face Wash is best for acne, blemishes, and irritating skin. And also it is very good for oily skin type. It cleanses and resurfaces the skin. It also regulates sebum and prevent acne. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to the skin in gentle circular motion for 30 seconds. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Follow up with the moisturizer, and it is suitable for all skin type. Use my coupon code FACEWASH15 to get 15% off. So the second one in the list is Just a Foaming Face Wash with papaya and lemon for spot reduction. It claims plant-derived vitamin C face wash, skincare holy grails, and acne control. So coming to its benefit, it helps in pigmentation and dark spots, makes skin youthful and radiant, and suits for all skin type. Just Herbs packed with the skin nourishing goodness of two popular superfoods, papaya and lemon. It treats pigmentation, faded acne scars, blemishes, and discolorations. Regular use of these face washes can increase the collagen productions, which gives you youthful and glowing skin. With every wash, your skin became radiant, evertoned, and spot-free. Let us know how to use this face wash. Step 1. Pump out a generous amount of face wash. Step 2. Gently apply on the skin by its applicator. Step 3. Rinse it off and pat dry your skin. And it suits for all skin type. You can use the code SKINGOALS50 to get 15% off. So coming to the third one in the list is Pure Sense Energize Grapeful Revitalizing Face Cleansing Gel. It is an everyday face wash for radiant skin rich in vitamin C. It is a deep, gentle cleansing. Vitamin C rich grapefruits transform dull complexion, leaves your skin beautiful, radiant, boost collagen's production, refreshing fragrance, rejuvenate your sense made with organic ingredients, free from paraben, sulfate, carcinogen, and cruelty free. The grapefruit face cleanser is also known as the vitamin C face wash. It's meant to clean your skin while hydrating it and soothing it. This face cleansing gel gently cleans up your skin without stripping away too much of oil and is ideal for all skin types. It is rich in vitamin C. Grapefruits are loaded with antioxidants. These antioxidants assist in battling against free radicals that could harm your skin cells. Antioxidants help the skin cells repair and regenerate while shielding it from UV rays. It also relaxes the skin, giving it a radiant glow from the first wash. So coming to the last cleanser in the list is Plix Guava Glow Juicy Cleanser for Skin Brightening with Vitamin C. It has natural fruits and activate that shows visible result in one wash. Blends for natural plus science. It claims it instantly brightens skins and reduces the appearance of dark spots. Visible result in one wash. Maintains skin pH balance. Cleanses face without stripping oil and promotes moisturizer and hydration. It is plant-based, no side effects, no irritation, zero added artificial fragrances. It has fruit plus activate formula for the first time in India. It is made with guava plus vitamin C plus alpha lipoic acid plus pro vitamin B5. It claims instant brightening, visible result and moisturizing. And you can use the coupon code GLOW15 to get 15% off. Do not forget to check the description box because उसमें मैंने अपना सारा products के links provide कर दिए हैं. And also that's it for the video. I hope आपको video पसंद आया होगा. अगर video beneficial लगे तो please give a like and also subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.